update. It is 5:10 on May 8th, and severe weather threat. We have a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for most of western Piedmont and foothills of the state, pretty much west of Raleigh. If you take it Raleigh and Durham west until 12 a.m., probably be canceled a little bit earlier. So damaging winds is the main threat, with some large hail with some storms up to golf ball size possible. And we do have some storms, and if you look, it's lined up with the severe weather outlook that was out today, pretty much. Just severe thunderstorm watches for that pretty much the whole area. Looking at the radar right now, we have several severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing. We have one back here over near Murphy. This is for parts of Cherokee and Clay counties until 5:45. Severe thunderstorm warning. Damaging winds, 60 miles an hour, 60 mile an hour wind gust, and some $half size hail possible with this. I don't see too much hail, but Andrews, Murphy area, just north and east of Murphy. If we expand to the east, we have a whole cluster of severe thunderstorms that are ongoing across parts of western North Carolina. So I pull up the severe weather. You don't see this, but severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Burke, severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Burke, Cleveland, McDowell, and Rutherford counties until 6 p.m. This storm, damaging winds and some large hail is possible for Marion, Morganton, Valdez area. And then we have a pretty strong storm that's moving out of parts of Polk County into Rutherford County. This is going to be producing until 5:30, and half-inch hail is possible. $half size hail is possible. Rutherford, Forest City area. So move indoors, move your cars into the shelters. And then further to the north, up into the foothills area, more of the foothills area, we have another severe thunderstorm warning. This is in effect for parts of the Taylorsville area. Damaging winds and some quarter-size hail for Alexander and Caldwell counties. And then further up into the Wilkesboro area, for parts of Wilkes County, we have a severe thunderstorm warning. There's also in effect further until 5:30, parts of Wilkes County, damaging winds and some quarter-size hail. All these storms are producing some damaging winds and quarter-size hail. We put it into motion. You can see where it's going, generally to the north and east, and a little cluster of storms. These will be the theme for the evening. I'll show you a quick look at the future radar. Don't take it literally, but it kind of gives a good rundown of what's going to happen. A couple strong to severe storms, isolated. Tornado can't be ruled out, but the threat is pretty low. Looking at the current future radar, as you can see, this is right now. It's doing pretty well, showing the storms developing right in the foothills and then dropping into the Charlotte and Piedmont Triad areas, and then gradually just weakening and then some heavy rain overnight, and maybe some loud thunder in the central part of the state overnight. But the severe weather threat after about 10 or 11 is going to pretty much be over with. A couple showers overnight and into the early morning hours across eastern North Carolina. But if we expand out, because there's been like a million questions about the forecast on Friday, let's just go ahead and show you. This is Friday. See storm showers in the morning, and then most of the day is pretty dry. Just a couple scattered storms in the afternoon. Friday will be a pretty nice day, I think. Just a couple scattered storms. Bottom line is, watch out for a few strong to severe storms through the evening, mainly west of Raleigh, moving into the Raleigh area late evening hours. A couple damaging winds and large hail. I'll pass around some radar update to the remainder of the evening. Everyone have a good rest of the day.